Hello, this is Rabbi Michael Weiner with Rabbi's Reflections for Monday, October 6, 2025. Shalom. Psalm 37, verse 8, part 6. Put away anger and turn from wrath. Do not fret. It only leads to doing evil. Fret? Exclamation mark. Fret? Question mark. What is fret? See the RR on September 28th about verse 1, or the RR for October 3rd on verse 7. Fret is a ridiculous translation of the Hebrew word chara, chet resh he, which has many meanings, including most notably burn with anger. But it also includes being zealous. My problem with the word fret is that it lacks passion. Chara connotes the passion of anger. The use of the English word fret just doesn't get it. Even the Hebrew for anger, af, has a connotation of passion. It comes from the word for nose, indicating anger that's manifested in flared nostrils. In my mind, I see a bull snorting and pawing the ground before a charge. 3 times in this verse, God warns us not to be a bull in a china shop. The most passionate of these 3 words of warning against anger is chama, chet mem he, which is the poison of anger and can mean wrath, fury, anger, venom, hot-tempered, or rage. The derivation is from the Hebrew for heat or hot. Sounds like the antonym of shalom, doesn't it? Our subject verse contains a warning that sin starts with ungodly emotion. First, Cain, Abel's brother, was asked why he was angry. Then he was warned, and all of us who read this are warned similarly. Genesis 4, verse 7, if you do well, it will lift. But if you do not do well, sin is crouching at the doorway. Its desire is for you, but you must master it. Cain did not master his anger, but by grace we have the power to do so. Jacob 1:19 and 20. This know, my dear brothers and sisters, let every person be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to anger. For human anger doesn't produce the righteousness of God. For every fruit of the Spirit, there's an anti-fruit, or its exact opposite. The opposite of shalom is not war, it's anger. There's a reason we use the greeting Shabbat Shalom. I'm going to begin in Hebrews 4, verse 9 and following. So there remains a Shabbat rest for the people of God. For the one who has entered God's rest has also ceased from his own work, just as God did from his. Let us therefore make every effort to enter that rest, so that no one may fall through the same pattern of disobedience. Yes, let's make every effort to enter into shalom, void of anger, not just on Shabbat, but every other day too. And with that we say, Shalom, shalom.